Okay, it's Saturday the 6th of September, and quite a while ago we bought tickets to Lord of the Dance. I was so excited because I really love it, and we had a whole day planned for you guys. We wanted to show you Darling Harbour and the ICC, of course, and a whole heap of other things. We were planning on having dinner there and all, but
our little boy Max, he can't walk anymore. His back legs don't work.
So he's not well enough. We've put him a little nappy now, and we're going to go, because we bought the tickets and we don't want to lose the money, so we're going to go for a couple of hours and then rush home to make sure he's okay. And Rambo too.
Yeah, which that should be.
Hopefully Rambo won't drive him nuts.
Yeah.
So I guess we're just going to show you a little bit of the trip into the city. So around the theatre and Darling Harbour. So let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. So there's obviously a lot of traffic on the freeway. We might be exiting. Probably better to exit because it's just chock-a-block. I never expected it to be this full. So we're going to go the old-fashioned way.
Sometimes it pays better to go on the non-tie road than the tie road.
Just driving through Canterbury at the moment, and I grew up in a suburb not far from here called Earlwood, and I went to school at the back of this street in a school called Canterbury South Public School. I suppose this is where I grew up. Sort of to the right though, in Earlwood. You can tell we're in the city now because there's traffic everywhere.
There's an Anzac there, a statue of an Anzac. This is our Anzac Bridge.
And just down that way is the Harbour Bridge. We like our bridges. We even have a bridge called Tom Uglies.
We do.
So we're just coming into the parking. We're parking at Wilson's today. And for those Aussies that want to know, we're paying $25 for 4 hours.
Yeah, something like that, four hours.
Because we booked online. So if you book online, if you pre-book online, it's a little bit cheaper apparently. Let's go park.
Well, that's the ICC Sydney International Convention Centre here at Darling Harbour. That's the Sofitel, and straight ahead of us it's Darling Harbour. And this is Darling Harbour. They're doing a lot more renovations here again. Every few years they do renovations, make it look better. That's been here for years, ever since Darling Harbour got made. Used to walk around circles and that, but I'm not going now because I wear my shoes.
On level 6.
This is inside the theatre. Just quickly filming because we're not allowed to, and I'm going to have to pack it up in a minute.
Not allowed to film the show.
Yeah, we won't be able to film the show. It's sad, but we guarantee you it's going to be fantastic.
that was fun.
It was.
Entertaining, yeah.
It was an incredible experience. For many, many years I've wanted to see that show, and I finally saw it. But without Michael Flatley, it wasn't the same. But it was fantastic.
I mean, the guy did a great job, yeah.
He did, but he wasn't
I
Michael
agree.
Flatley. Yeah, it was fantastic. We loved it.
Heading home now?
Yeah, it's time to go home so we can see why that little puppy is barking. We're watching him on the camera and he hasn't stopped barking, so let's go.
Moving with the rhythm all night. Can't stop when I'm feeling alive. Everybody's turning their eyes, watching as I spin and I slide.
This is one of many tunnels we have in Sydney. This is the Cross City Tunnel.